everybody, Spiro here from spirocoac.com, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to promote ClickBank products on Facebook for free. In today's step-by-step tutorial, step-by-step training, I'm going to teach you how to use Facebook groups, how to simply promote affiliate products from ClickBank. And I'm going to explain you which products are going to sell and which won't, and how to choose the right one. Before we go into it, I just want to let you know that here at my channel we talk about how to make money online, how to quit your 9-to-5 and earn your freedom. So if you want to learn more about it, if you want to learn more about ClickBank and affiliate marketing in general, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. And now guys, without further ado, let's continue with this marketing tutorial. As I said, we are going to do this tutorial through the 5 steps. And in the first step, we are going to register for ClickBank account. To register for ClickBank, all you have to do is click on this brown button in the top right corner, and then it will take you to the create an account page. Here you need to fill your information. It will take you through the couple of pages, and if you get stuck or if you don't know how to register, I have updated tutorial for 2020 that teaches you how to open a free ClickBank account, and I'll leave the link in the cards above. So make sure you check that link if you get stuck. Don't forget, if you register without tutorial, don't forget to set up your payment method straight after registration. Also, I found out today that Brazilians have an issue with the cash out right now. So I'm gonna find a solution for you guys. If you're from Brazil, don't worry, you can use this method to make money online and to promote ClickBank products, and I'll post more about it in the next couple of days. Once you open an account and once you log into the ClickBank page, you'll find yourself on this page here. Then you want to go on affiliate marketplace. With this method, it's very unlikely that we're gonna sell high-ticket product, because we are gonna use a little bit spammy methods, which I don't recommend to do on a long term, even though this particular method can be applied on a long-term game. But the way I'm gonna show you today is more like for a quick sale, quick profit. I would recommend this video to someone who actually wants a proof that you can make money online quite easy. We are going to find a product that is selling really well, that has a higher gravity score, and then we're gonna find other affiliates, how are they promoting it on Facebook. And for example, best products right now that are going are fitness related, in a fitness groups, and make money online niche, and maybe the easiest one, law of attraction. We are going to promote overnight success product, because that's the one that is now booming, and it's very easy to find the content to promote it, and it's, you know, you'll actually see. I just want to give you a little bit more details. So let's say we don't know which product we want to sell. Let's research it. So you're gonna go here and click on advanced search, and then don't worry about keywords, don't even worry about category. What we're gonna do, just put here like 50 results pages, and then show items with the gravity higher than 45 for this method, and that has initial sale lower than $45. And then you can click search, and here will be products which are selling well. As you can see, this here, Cinderella solution, gravity 326. That means that at least 326 affiliate marketers has been successfully promoted this product within last 12 weeks. That's amazing. You know, this sells, that their sales page, their sales pitch must be so good, and it sells obviously great. And I bet, as you can see here, easiest Facebook affiliate sales. Guys, this works on Facebook right now, and everyone can do this. Okay, let's go down, because you see all these products which are kind of cheap, and most of them are, as you can see, like in a weight loss and then remedies. But we want to promote this one because that one in particular right now is booming, and I think it's gonna get even bigger. Gravity score is 197. The price is $28.60. That's fair price. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna get our link to promote. So you're gonna click here, promote, and then you're gonna type your nickname, or if you logged in, your nickname will be already in here. And then we're gonna add a tracking ID, and since we're gonna use a Facebook free method, I'll add Facebook free. And then here in account nickname, you just type your nickname. I'll just type nickname and generate hop link. and then you can copy this link and just paste it in a notepad for now. Just give me a sec. And now you have a link for this particular product. And everyone who uses this link to get on a page and purchase the product, you would earn a commission. And you will also be able to track that it came from Facebook free traffic source. So why I put it here Facebook free? Because that's the easiest ways to track what made you a sale. And you want to do, as you start making sales, you want to do more things that are, you know, bringing you sales in and less things that doesn't work. So you always want to track, you always want to be able to recognize which method is working better so you can, you know, optimize your efforts. Okay guys, so this link here, as you can see, it's pretty ugly long link and looks really spammy and sketchy, and I don't believe that anyone would click on this. I personally would feel threatened if I see a link like this. So what we're gonna do, we need to shorten this link. To shorten link, you can use free shorten services like Bitly, or if you have a WordPress website, you can use WordPress plugin called Pretty Links. If you don't know how to set it up, make sure you check the video above. I'm gonna leave a link to video in which I'm showing you how to create a Pretty Links. It's extremely simple. So if you have a WordPress website, that's what I would recommend to, you know, make a shortened URL with your own like a platform, so you have a control over it. But let's say in this particular case, you don't have a website and you don't know how to set it up, so you're gonna do it with the free method. We're gonna copy this and we're gonna jump on Bitly. And then Bitly is a free tool. All you will have to do is register for a free account and then just click here, create. And then here paste long URL. And it will give you this edit Bitlink kind of page where you can add a title. It doesn't actually matter. And here down you can make a pretty link, and here you want your pretty link to sound like something that you're actually promoting, and we are promoting overnight success, and we're gonna make it succeed in 2020 if the link is available, overnight millionaire system. And that's guys it. Now click just save and copy your link, and as you can see the difference between these two links, it looks much better. And that brings us to the step number 3. In a third step, we are supposed to create something which is called Facebook bridge page. And that's actually a page that you're gonna send your Facebook post to go, and that page should educate people and then redirect them into the offer. And I've seen a lot of people that are, you know, teaching this method. Even though it's simple method, they just don't do it professionally enough, and it really looks sketchy and spammy, and I wouldn't buy. And that's the reason why I went extra mile. Just let me fix the camera. That's the reason why I went extra mile, and I created a custom blogspot.com tutorial. Blogspot.com is Google's service. It's a free service for blogs. So go to blogspot.com and just log in with your Google account, and then go over here and start a new blog, and then just call your blog whatever you want. Like we are promoting a program that is called Overnight Millionaire Mind Hacks. Yeah, just find some slug, find some URL that is available, and then select any theme and click create blog. And then guys, I will leave this as a second link down below in the description of this video, and it's a link to my code pen. I've coded a custom theme for all my visitors, for all my subscribers, in which I've already optimized this theme, this particular theme for this offer. And it's mobile optimized. It's gonna work perfectly fine on every phone. It's gonna work perfectly fine on a desktop computers. And here on the left hand side, you wanna add your link now. You can see here, scroll down underneath a little bit, and all you have to do is you have to find this get access now, that's this button, and you have to add link where it says link here. So you see here href, and then says link here. This area you need to edit, and you need to add your link. So here is your link. Just copy paste that link in here, and then copy paste the whole thing and go back to Blogger. And now look this trick here on a Blogger where it says hashtag all posts in the URL. Just instead of all posts, write template HTML. TEMPLATE HTML. and we load the HTML editor. In this editor, we want to paste this here, done for you affiliate marketing bridge page. So select all, control all, and paste your new page into it and click save theme. And as you save, click here on a view blog, and this is how your blog post looks like. And if you click now on a get access, look guys, it takes you to your affiliate offer. It looks beautiful, it's clean, and it doesn't look scammy. It's not something like, I believe this looks really great and representative, and it's fully for free. We created a Clickbank account. We found the product that we want to promote. I've already optimized this landing page for you. Then we created a Facebook friendly bridge page using a blogspot, which I don't think that anyone ever made before me. I think I'm the first one who did this. Now we're gonna look for Facebook groups that are related to the content that we want to promote. So this particular program, Overnight Success, it's a law of attraction program, and I'm gonna search for law of attraction group. So, or you're gonna just go on your Facebook and search for law of attraction, and then click on groups. And as you can see, I already joined the first group, which is just random group that was on the top. As you join the group, all you want to do now is go to the Google and search for something like manifest wealth, and you will find hundreds of different posts. Look this, the law of attraction for wealth. You can take this post here, this particular one. You can open it in a new tab, save it on save it on your desktop, call it picture one. Go back to your page, go back to your post, go over here, add a photo, upload that photo in here, and then I also prepared for you what you're gonna write to them. And here is a simple script for this offer. All you need to do is enter your link here. So just paste your link in here and publish. I'm not gonna publish because this is a public group, and I kind of consider this a little bit spammy technique. But guys, trust me, if you keep doing this, there is no doubt you're gonna start making sales. Alright guys, before I knock off, before we finish with this, I want to give you a couple of guidelines, a couple of advices that will maximize your sales. Let me explain you the groups, Facebook groups. So we have a public groups and we have a private groups. When you join the private group and when you create a post, it's gonna reach more people from that particular private group. And at the same time, if you post on a public group and people interact with your post on a public group, then other people, friends of the people that reacted, if they're interested in the same topic, to see your offer as well. And they might haven't been a member of that same group. So the posts in a public group, if you make a attractive post, like for example this one, I'm going to have a wealthy 2020, type yes to affirm. It has 89 comments and 2 shares. And then if you check up here, it has someone's affiliate link. If you scroll down, you'll find more and more images like this. Look at this one. I will receive a big amount of abundance, wealth, health, and love in next 72 hours. Type yes to claim this energy. And look guys, these are those call to action kind of things, and people are sharing this, people are liking this, commenting on this, and that actually spreads the message. People just randomly gonna click here. It's amazing sales page. And look, this guy, look, that's what I was saying. Look at this page here. This is just a picture and it doesn't have a pre-sale. This is like a basic way, and using Webly, a basic way to promote the same thing. Now look our landing page and look their landing page. Would you rather buy or purchase from this page or from that one? But doesn't matter, but this doesn't matter. Anyway, let's continue with this. So you can see this guy here is definitely making sales. More he posts, there is a higher chance that it's gonna go viral again. Look at this one, 17 comments, 30 likes, 2 shares. Your time, confirm, look, type yes to affirm, 133 comments, 15 shares. It means that 15 people that liked and commented have shared this on their Facebook wall. And guys, that's a big deal because it reached a lot of people, and as it reaches more people, it's more likely that someone gonna purchase. That's the way this method works. And I hope you found this useful. If you did so, make sure you smash that like, make sure you comment in the description below because that helps this video reach more people. Also subscribe, hit the notification bell because you don't want to miss. Tomorrow is coming another ClickBank tutorial. Tomorrow is coming another affiliate tutorial. You don't want to miss it. I'll do my best for my audience. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again. Cheers. Ah yeah, make sure you check the cards on the right hand side where I'm going to leave something really good for you. So good.